How to make fish fry. Ingredients: 1 pound fish fillets, any type of firm-fleshed fish will work. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1 teaspoon dried basil. 1 cup buttermilk. 1 vegetable oil for frying. Instructions: rinse the fish fillets and pat them dry with paper towels. In a shallow dish, mix together the flour, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, and basil. Pour the buttermilk into another shallow dish. Heat the oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pan until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip each fish fillet into the buttermilk, then coat it thoroughly in the flour mixture. Carefully place the coated fish fillets into the hot oil. Fry for 3 to 5 minutes on each side, or until the fish is golden brown and cooked through. Remove the fish from the pan with a slotted spatula and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to drain. Repeat with the remaining fish fillets. You can serve it with tartar sauce, lemon wedges, or any other condiments of your choice. Enjoy your fish fry. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.